Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, designing with squash. Could be a gourd, could be a pumpkin. Acorn squash, delicado squash, both are fabulous. If you've had advanced studies with us, you know a drill is important. For this, no foam, no muss, no fuss, just the drill. And then, chrysanthemums are so long lasting, and there's just enough moisture in here. All you need to do, cut your flower, set it right in, and then drill some more until you've got a perfect centerpiece. Fun professional tips for the tribe working with a drill.